Today, we're gonna be showing you how to install your front seat covers onto your truck. Step one, you're gonna wanna open up the packaging. Next, you're gonna pull out all the pieces for the front seats. You have a front piece top, like this, and a front seat bottom like this. Do the same thing for the other side. You should also have two headrests for the front two seats. Go ahead and take them out of the plastic. If you're not wanting the extra lumbar support, you can go ahead and remove it inside this zipper right here. Unzip the zipper and remove the lumbar support. Next, you're gonna wanna go ahead and pop that headrest off. We can come in here, pull straight up on the headrest, and then release the headrest. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and grab our front tops here. You'll see that one is labeled passenger side, one is labeled driver side. We're gonna start with the driver here today. You'll know that it's labeled passenger or driver based on the zipper facing the door. The goal is to have the zipper facing the door, but you can have it the opposite way if needed. It just allows for easier installation. You'll wanna go ahead and make sure the zipper is unzipped before installing them. On something like Rams especially, or any bigger truck, it is gonna be a little bit tighter to go ahead and get these seats on. You're gonna slip them over the side here with that zipper open and then really shimmy them down. These have never been on a seat before, so it's pretty tight. You might have to work with it a little bit at the start. Should take a little bit of oomph there. You can really realign it so it's nice and straight as well. You'll really wanna lean up front here and really pull down. Next, you're gonna wanna go ahead and do these buttons right here. You'll notice they don't necessarily line up with the headrest holes just yet. We have to realign the seat a little bit, but we're gonna button those and then readjust the seat a little bit so that it's a lot closer. And then we can actually take this, tuck this plastic underneath the headrest holes. Should look like this. And once that's done, we can actually realign the seat a little bit more. It might take a little bit of time sitting in the seat for a few weeks to really allow it to break in and then readjust it as you need. When you got it all done, you can go ahead and zip it. If it's not fully connected really close, you can either do one hand like this and then zip it, or have another person hold the zipper shut and then zip it together. If you have a little excess here, you can go ahead and tuck that back into the plastic. You'll then want to grab these two wheels and shove them through the crease. The goal is to have it through the crease like this, stick it through, and then sideways like this so it holds it into the crease. It should look something like this when you are done. Then we can go ahead and grab our front seat bottom. Next, you're going to unbuckle both sides. It's going to look like this. Push those back through the elastic straps. You're gonna know the back from the front based on where these two wheels are. These will be the same two wheels you just put on the top piece. You're gonna stick this through the crease as well and turn them sideways. While you're doing that, you'll wanna make sure that you still have access to your straps right here. I'm gonna stick these through. Then I can go ahead and take the straps and also push them through the crease. And then I want to make sure this is far back, wrapped around the side of the seat as well. Before coming around to the back, you're going to want to move your seat all the way forward to allow for the most space underneath the seat. You can also adjust it up by lifting it and raising it. Depending on the type of vehicle that you have, you might have a felt backing right here where you can't actually see the crease yet. What you're gonna go ahead and do is reach underneath. There should be strapped on. There could be a zipper depending on the type of vehicle you have as well. Elastic strap should look like this. You'll unhook those and then fold this up. Now you can see the crease of the seat. I'll readjust my wheels to make sure that they lay flat so they can't come back through the crease. Same here with that. I see there's another wheel that didn't make it all the way through. So I'm gonna reach in there and grab it. Just like that. Then I can pull the rest of the straps through. Same here like this. Then we'll go around to the front. When you're moving around back to the front, you might need to adjust your seat back. You can keep it raised for the most room. Now, We're gonna have these side straps that we're gonna be pushing through the crease. This is optional, depending on if your seat naturally will tuck into the side, depending on the width and height of your side bolster. We're gonna be doing it between the plastic and the actual seat itself. A tip to do that is gonna be taking this up to the front, sliding it through just like that, and then we'll take the front one as well, sliding it through. Then we're gonna take our buckle and strap, push it through the first one, and then through the second one to hold it in place. This is what holds it down. And then we'll tuck that in, and we'll deal with the rest on the back side. You can do the same thing on the inside section of the seat. The last and final step you're gonna do with this bottom section is you're gonna go ahead and tuck it into the plastic. You can use your fingers or a small tool, like a butter knife, to make sure it really gets in there. Once that's done, it should look like this. Okay, now that we're back into the back here, we're gonna reach underneath and grab the 2 straps that we put underneath there. You may need another person to feed them through, depending on how cramped the bottom of your seats are. It should look like this for one side. You can take the other side of the buckle and buckle it together. Then we can tighten it tight. And then we can take the other side and do the same thing. Then when you're done with that, you can reattach your felt. The last step to finishing up your front seat is to go ahead and pop that headrest on. Then you can pop on your front headrest. Once you slide it over the top just like this, you can readjust it to fit nice and straight on there. And any wrinkles, you can kind of push through the bottom and pull it down a little bit more so it wraps around the headrest a little bit better. Then you can push your headrest all the way down. You've now done one front seat. Go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side. If your seat has some small creases in it like this, you can use a hot rag or a steamer and rub them out. When both front seats are installed, they will look like this. If you have any questions whatsoever, give us a call at 763-334-3581 or email us at info@seatcoversolutions.com. Go ahead, scroll down to the next video to see the back seat install.